Hi Aquarians, welcome to my channel JK777. This is your reading for the month of June and July. So we are going to do an energy update for your career and for your love life. So let's see what is going to happen in your career and in your love life in the next 2 months. This reading is going to be for June and July, both the months. So let's see what's coming up for you Aquarians. Aquarians, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. So it will resonate with most of you but not all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. All right, so I'm going to do it for both your career and love life. So let's see. Oh my god, okay, this card just popped up, but I'm going to again do it. I'm going to shuffle this again, Aquarius. Or if you want a clear and accurate readings, you can always get in touch with me. My website is jyotitarotreadings.com. So let me shuffle the cards for you Aquarians. Let's see what's happening in your life in the next 2 months. We'll start with career first. Oh my god, this just popped up. This just popped up twice. I was shuffling your cards, some time back, and this popped up then also. So Aquarians, what's happening? Why are you crying? I feel some of you are literally crying since a week. Why? And it is since a week because this did pop up some time back also when I was shuffling the cards for you. I don't know why I feel Aquarian. Some of you are literally crying, since a week, or could be last 10 days, 15 days, whatever. But why? Why are you in this energy, Aquarians? I'm going to do a career reading for you now. Let me see what's in store for you, Aquarius. This next 2 months, what's coming up for you, Aquarians? In the next 2 months, let's see what's coming up for you. Okay, so a lot of financial stress, for you Aquarians. Some of you want to buy a house. Some of you are going through some sleepless nights because of financial problems. Some of you are going through some health problems. Let me see something more, Aquarians. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. Look at this. They do say, right, after every night there is a morning. So this is the morning for you Aquarians. So I feel that some of you are going to get a job in the next 2 months. Within a month or in the next 2 months, you are going to get an offer. You're going to get an offer letter if you are looking for a job, and they are going to pay you good. They are literally going to pay you good. You don't have to worry about that. All your wishes are going to come true in the next time. Just relax. This card is trying to tell you, just relax. You are worrying up and you are stressing a lot. I don't know why. Why, Aquarians? Why are you in this energy? This is not where you should be. Why are you stressing this much? Look at this, the Hangman. This is all because you feel that there's no movement in your career. Things are stuck. You feel stuck. So that is why you are in this phase where you feel that nothing is happening as per you. You want something more. Especially this is in regards to your finances and to your job. So you don't see any movement, but you just don't have to worry. That's the message. Just surrender to the universe because this is waiting for you. You are going to get a job. You are going to get an offer soon. You are trying to do something that is connected to doing some good things for others. So maybe you are trying to do some social service. It could be connected to institutions, teachings, banks, or just you are in a field, or maybe you're trying to help someone, Aquarius. It could be you're working with some institutions. It could be some social service companies or some NGOs. I don't know. You're trying to do something. You're trying to be of help to someone around you. So you are definitely working towards something. Look at this, Aquarius. You are going to come out of the negative zone you are in currently. I really feel that you are very upset and this is not where you should be. I don't know who is this message for, because it's a general reading, it may not resonate to all 100%, but it will resonate to most of you. So please keep in mind, Aquarians, if you are in this negative zone, you don't have to be. This is not where you should be. Life is too beautiful. You have some good things coming up for you in the next 2 months. You know, some of you it could be 1 month, it is within a month, and for some of you it could be 1 to 2 months, you know. So definitely you are going to get a job, you are going to get a business proposal, and things are going to be in your favor. You know, this King of Pentacles is a person who is always in a comfort zone. You know, he has what he wants, he or she. You know, it is not a gender specific reading, so take as it resonates to you. But you know, I know that you are having some financial problems, you're going through some financial crunch. You may feel as if, you know, you're worrying about, I'm sorry, you are worried about your daily expenses, your monthly expenses, something like this, Aquarius. You know, you're really very worried about this. So please, the message here is you are going to soon come out of this energy. Just have faith in universe, because you know, you have these good things waiting for you. You are going to soon feel abundant. So let me see something more for you, Aquarius. Some of you, I feel that you're going through some health problems. It could be emotional, mental, some health issues, or as I said, you may feel depressed, you may feel sad, disappointed, but just know that this is temporary, Aquarius. Okay, just know that this is temporary. This is not forever, guys. Okay, you're going to come out of this energy very soon. I don't know, I cannot see this. You know, you're being very, very, very upset about something, and this is more connected to your career. Any other messages for Aquarius, please? Okay, look at this. Didn't I just say that you're doing some social service activities, you are helping people around you? This card just popped up. This is the overall energy, Aquarius. You're going to soon feel abundant in your life. Everything is going to be in your favor as far as your career is concerned. So you are going to come out of the negative zone. You're going to move towards a more abundant side. So just don't feel sad and hurt. Don't be in the negative zone. If you feel depressed, if you feel sad, don't be there. Life is too beautiful and things are going to turn in your favor. You just have to wait. You just have to wait. For some of you it could be 1 to 2 months, for some of you 3 months, but just wait. Okay, just hang on, because you have these good things coming your way. Let me pull some more cards for you, Aquarians. Any message for Aquarians? Please give me a message for Aquarians. Please give me a message for Aquarians. Stay focused. Didn't I just say staying focused, hold the course? See, this card is trying to tell you that you are actually looking out for a job or a new offer. Just hold on, you know, because you are going to get that, whatever you have been wanting. Okay, you are just getting it soon. You just have to have that faith. Just stay focused. That's the message. Things are coming your way. You can read this card, you know, stay focused, and look at the second card that has popped up. The second card is crossing bridges. It's time for healing, connecting, mending and releasing. So some of you, as I said, you are not well physically, and could be that you are recovering from some health issues. So I do see healings for you. You're healing, connecting, mending and releasing. It's time for you to release the old job, the old things that were not serving you, or you know, sometimes things have to end so that you can get something new. So sometimes if you have lost a job, or if you have been sacked, or you have lost a proposal, or you're not making enough in your business, whatever it is, Aquarians, just stay focused, because things are coming your way. Okay, this is all happening because it's time for you to enter a new career. It's time for you to enter a new job, new business. So everything is coming your way. You just have to hold on. Let me keep this. For some of you, I feel that you feel abandoned. Maybe you lost a job, maybe you lost an offer. You know, it's like you were so close to it and you lost it, something like this. So whatever it is, just hold on, Aquarians, because things are coming your way very soon. Okay, sometimes you don't get things before the right time. Okay, everything happens in the right time, so you have to have that patience, you have to have that faith that things are going to turn in your favor, and that is happening. I see it coming. Then you know, you don't have to be in this energy. Just hold on, stay focused. Whatever hurdles you have been going through, you are going to cross this, and you are going to be in this energy. Look at this. This is a 9 of Pentacles. This lady or this man, look at them, how independent they are. They have everything. He's a King of Pentacles, somebody who is content, somebody who is happy. So this is what is coming for you in the next 2 months. Okay, that's what I have been, that is what I'm getting here. So just hold on to this, have faith, things are turning in your favor. Okay, Aquarius, so let's move on to your love reading. I'll shuffle the cards again. Let's see. This is love reading for Aquarians. Let's see what's coming up for you in your love life. Okay, no, this didn't come. So let's see what's coming up for you, Aquarians, in your love life. What's coming up for Aquarians in their love life? Dear universe, please give me a message. Okay, this is the Empress. Let me clarify the Empress. Okay, oh my god, a new love offer coming your way, Aquarians. A very strong new love offer, a destined proposal that's coming your way. This is a good news, especially for people who have been single all this while, and for people who are going through a tough time. They don't know what's in store for you. Yeah, this is for people who are single basically, and somebody who is looking for a serious commitment. Yes, with the Ace of Cups and Empress, there's somebody who is coming in your life, Aquarians. Okay, it's a solid, it's a very strong, oh my god, see, look at this. You are entering a new life, Aquarians. There's a new life waiting for you. There is a new love offer coming your way, and this is a strong commitment that's coming your way. Okay, it's a very strong commitment that's coming your way. So somebody who is going to offer you love, offer you marriage, this is a strong commitment for you, Aquarius. So a strong person is entering your life who is going to be your potential boyfriend or your girlfriend. And for people who are already married, I do see that you are going to start something new. Oh, okay, let's pull out some more cards. We'll pull out your energy and then your person's energy. Okay, let's see what's happening in your life, Aquarians, in the next 2 months. Especially some of you, if you're already married, things are getting better. I do see some things improving in your life. And this just fell down. Okay, so you could be dealing, we have the Empress and the Strength, so you could be dealing with a Pisces or a Leo. We have the Ace of Cups, so it could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So I do see something new for you, Aquarius. I feel that you are entering a new chapter of your life. There is something new that's waiting for you, and a new love offer that's coming your way. You know, something that you really wished for, that's coming your way. And okay, look at this. Oh my god, 10 of Cups. For some of you, I feel that, you know, this is especially if you are married. I do feel that you are in a very happy zone and things are going to get better, especially if you are married. Okay, things are going to get better for you. And I don't know, I do feel that you are in a very happy zone in as far as your love life is concerned. For some of you, I feel that maybe your partner, they are not well, they are recovering, so they may have health issue and they are also recovering. So yes, I do see that maybe your partner is unwell and they are recovering and you're being there. You feel, you know, do see that you have some responsibilities, and you have a lot of responsibilities right now at the moment. Okay, you feel, my God, this is the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, somebody is coming to meet you, or you may go and meet somebody. A strong, solid commitment is coming your way, a commitment that will actually end up in a marriage, and it is a long-term commitment. Okay, I don't see nothing small coming your way, Aquarians. Nothing small. Okay, it's a big, solid commitment that's coming your way. Somebody may come to meet you, Aquarians, or you may go and meet your loved ones, your partner, especially if you're already dating, you are in a relationship. Now let's see what's more. So let's clarify more. Aquarius, you have a lot of responsibilities at this moment. Lot of responsibilities, and you're trying hard to hold on to things. I feel that you're trying very hard to hold on to a relationship, to hold on to a marriage or something like this. But yes, but I do see positivity around you, Aquarians. I really see positivity around you. It's a Pentacles. You could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yes. Okay, let's see the partner's energy. Oh my God, I'm not getting a card, Aquarius. Okay, I won't take this. Let me reshuffle. Oh my God. See, we have a Leo again. So definitely you are dealing with a Leo, Aquarians. We have got this twice. Now, this person that you have been dealing with, Aquarians, they are very oh my God, okay. For some of you, I feel that there are some differences of opinion in your relationship with your person, and I don't know why I'm getting this, Aquarians. Okay, this is not for all, but some of you, but for some of you, I feel that your person feels guilty. Okay, they feel guilty that they have not been honest with you in the past, and they wish that you can forgive them. Look at this, we have the Ace of Wands. So they definitely want to work on this relationship all over again with you. This person is also trying hard. They really love you, come what may. So they really love you. Yes, I do see that things have been difficult in the recent past, but things are getting better. Things are getting better for you. And for some of you who have already broken up in the recent past, something like this, so there is a solid commitment coming your way. See, we have the Ace of Cups with the Ace of Pentacles. What more can you ask for, Aquarians? So this is especially for people who are single. So there is certainly somebody who is coming in your life, and this is actually a very divine offer. This is coming for you. I mean, this is coming for you, and see, you're destined to start a new chapter in your life. This could be an Aries, Leo, Saggy. Actually, this could be any sign, because this is a reading where I'm getting all the signs. So this could be any sign. This person that you're dealing with, Aquarians, they're very strong-headed, very opinionated, and they're very soft at heart. Very soft at heart. They may show that they are very strong, but deep within, they're very soft. Somebody who projects themselves as a strong person, but internally they're very caring, nurturing. For some of you, I feel that maybe you are in a relationship and you're not in talking terms with your person, but that's temporary. I do see reconciliation for some of you, so that's temporary. You may have pets in your house and you're quite focused on your pets. You love them a lot, you adore them a lot, and you're spending a lot of time with your pets. This is for some of you, not for all. Okay. Wheel of Fortune. See, there's something that's coming your way, and a new change, Aquarius. There's something that's starting, and it is a beautiful divine life that you are going to enter. It is in terms of your love life or in terms of your relationship, whatever it is. Even in your career, I mean, I'm getting some good cards. I did get some very good cards for your career. So there are some major changes that's happening in your life, Aquarians. As far as your career is concerned, as far as your love is concerned, you just have to be patient. Please don't be impatient, Aquarius. Okay, that's the message that I have here. You're being very impatient. Just have faith. Just be patient, because there are some, look at this Wheel of Fortune. So when this card comes with the World, it means that some major changes are coming your way in your career, in your love life, and it's all going to be a positive change. So yes, you are entering a new chapter of your life, Aquarians. As I said, if you're single, then you're waiting for your Mr. Right, Mrs. Right. This person is coming your way very soon. And if you're already married and in a proper stable relationship, you're dating somebody, then things are going to get better. I do see some good things coming your way in your next 2 months. It could be that some of you are already married and you are single. Maybe you are a single parent, single mother, single father, and maybe you're looking for a second marriage or third marriage. Doesn't matter. First marriage, second marriage, third marriage, doesn't matter. But I do see a solid commitment coming your way. So, wow. I mean, I cannot tell you enough how good this reading is, Aquarians. After a long time, I'm getting a positive reading for you. After a long time. Let's see one final card for you, Aquarius. This is for your love life. Let's see your one final message for Aquarians. Let's see one final message for you, Aquarius. Let me get one more card for Aquarius, dear universe. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Okay, I got, oh my god, look at this. The Lovers. What else do you want me to tell you? How else do you want me to prove that look at this positive change that's happening in your life? Aquarians, things are going to get better for you. I don't know in what situation you are in, but things are really going to turn up in your favor. So I mean, if you're already in a relationship, things are going to get better. If you are single, there is a solid commitment that's coming your way. And this person that you've been dating, they are going to work on this relationship. They are equally working on this relationship. All right, they really love you. I don't know why I feel that you are going to meet your partner somewhere. Maybe some of you are staying separately, whatever it is. Now these are your messages, Aquarians. Let's see what message we have for you. Any advice for Aquarians? Any advice for Aquarians? Okay, success. Oh my God. Aquarius, what else can I say? Look at this. You are going to get success in your love life. Whatever you have been wishing for is going to happen. Things are turning up in your favor. I have so many positive cards for you in the next 2 months. Let me see any other advice for the Aquarians, any other message for Aquarians, any other message. Okay, this card just fell down. This is peace. Now this card is trying to tell you, Aquarians, just be in peace. You are a peaceful person, but for time being, you are being restless, you are being impatient. That is not where you should be. You have to make sure that you live in peace. You have to make sure that you don't worry about your present and future. Of course, you work hard towards achieving whatever you want to, but don't lose your peace in this entire process. Life is too beautiful. You are going to achieve what you are wishing for. Things are turning in your favor. What else do you want me to tell you? Okay, just be happy, just be in peace, because that is who you are. There's no point in losing your peace just for merely 2-3 months. Maybe some of you are going through some financial stress, as we have seen before, some health issues, whatever it is, but make sure, just know that things are getting better and better and better. So you are going to get success in your love life. You are going to be reaching towards calmer water. You are going to be in peace very soon as far as your love life is concerned. And this card says that I am a being of love and I release all negative energy. So if you are holding on to some negativity in your life, it's time to release all the drama, all the negative stuff that's weighing you down. You are more powerful than you can even think of. You are very powerful. You're more powerful than you can even think of. Just hold on to your faith, hold on to your positive thoughts, and know that you are reaching your destination. Know that you're reaching to a calmer water. So because there are some major changes that's happening in your life, you know, I just see, look at this. Do you think this is a joke, Aquarians? No, there's no way this is a joke. Look at this. Do you think this is a joke? No, this is going to happen in your life very soon. Of course, there are thousands of people involved in these readings. For some of you, it could be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Okay, as I said, as far as your career is concerned, these major changes are happening within 2-3 months. But if it's your love life, then it is happening within 6 months, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, whatever it is. So just hold on, be happy, live in peace. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, that is the message for you, Aquarians. Life is too beautiful, Aquarians. Know that your divine angels, your spirit guides, they are always with you to help you get whatever you need, to help you achieve whatever you need. So that is it for you, Aquarians. Please take care of yourself, stay healthy, take care of your health, and be positive. Things are going to turn in your favor very soon. Thank you so much, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. Okay, thank you so much. You take care. Bye.